In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell pronated bicep curl whilst sat on a Swiss ball. Now, the first thing I want you to do is sit in the middle of the Swiss ball, core braced, chest up, and you're going to be looking forwards. Now, you're going to bring the dumbbells to a position where they're on your knees. And what we don't want to do is hit the knees when we do the bicep curls. So what we're going to do is bring those feet and knees together. This is going to demand a little bit of core strength, because the ball's going to be moving as you do the exercise. So keep the core nice and braced and keep the ball in position. Now, with a normal bicep curl, we'd have a palms up position, whereas pronated grip, we're going to have a palms down position. Keep your shoulders back and start to flex from your elbows, keeping a nice straight wrist position as you come up and back down. What you're going to notice is it's hard to keep a nice neutral position at your wrists. And you're also going to feel those biceps work, but as well as your forearm extensors. So this version gets in a little bit more of the brachialis than your normal supinated bicep curl grip. So what I want you to think of, if I show you side on, is when you're sitting on the Swiss ball, you've got your feet together, you're in the middle of the Swiss ball, you've got your elbows tucked in, shoulders back looking up, and it is just flexion of the elbow whilst keeping a palm down pronated grip as you do your repetitions. So you're going to get those forearm extensors working a little bit more. It's going to be a bit more challenging on your grip and your neutral wrist position, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.